In this lesson, we are going to learn how to build a Flappy Bird game. First, it starts by telling us to use those two blocks together. So I'm just going to put this up over here, and I'm gonna click run. And when I do that, I need to keep clicking on the screen so that I make it jump. In this level, I already have those two blocks together. I need to use one more block under one run. It says try adding a block to set the level speed. So I'm gonna put the speed right here. It's already normal. You need to hit the target. In this level, there should be a rule when you hit the ground. So it's going to end the game. I need to put this over here. Click run. In this level, there should be another rule for when you hit an obstacle, which is this block. So I need to put something under it. They want us to end the game when we hit an obstacle. So we click on end.